Hello everyone, welcome to our next semester. So, in our 8th semester, our most important subject, design of steel structure. Our subject code is 2180610. Now, due to this pandemic situation, we learn online classes by our YouTube channel. So, first of all, we see syllabus of our subject. So, first is load and load combinations. So some content are included in this topic. First of all, appraisal of loading standards such as IS, IRC, effect of wind and earthquake on structure. We know that different type of load are acting on the structure. जैसे कि हम लोगों को पता है कि डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लोड कौन कौन से लोड है, लाइव लोड, डेड लोड, impact load, wind load, earthquake load, moving load. These are the different type of load acting on the structure and its load combination. जैसे कि dead load plus live load, wind load plus earthquake load, erection load plus imposed load, temperature effect, accidental load. So these are the different type of load acting on the structure. So first यूनिट में हम देखेंगे लोड एंड लोड कॉम्बिनेशन. देन सेकंड इज कनेक्शंस. सो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कनेक्शन आर देयर, जैसे कि टाइप ऑफ कनेक्शंस, बीम टू बीम कनेक्शन, बीम टू कॉलम कनेक्शन, मोमेंट रेजिस्टेंट कनेक्शन, बोल्टेड कनेक्शन, वेल्डेड फ्रेम कनेक्शन, डबल प्लेट फ्रेम कनेक्शन, डबल एंगल फ्रेम कनेक्शन, welded unsteamed seat connection, welded stiffened seat connection, welded moment resistant connection, eccentrically loaded connection. So these are the different type of connection. So in a connection, stiffen and unstiffen moment and shear resisting structural connection, design and detailing of various connection. ठीक है, ये डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कनेक्शन करेंगे, देन आफ्टर हम उसकी डिज़ाइन करेंगे एंड डिटेलिंग करेंगे. Roof truss to column, column to beam, beam to beam and truss to bed block. So this container included in connection. So कौन कौन से container आएंगे? Stiffen and unstiffen, moment and shear resisting structural connection, design and detailing of various connection like roof truss to column, column to beam, beam to beam and truss to bed block. Now third chapter is डिज़ाइन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल बिल्डिंग. ठीक है, डिज़ाइन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल बिल्डिंग. सो कंटेन आर इंक्लूडेड इन दिस टॉपिक. द फर्स्ट इज स्ट्रक्चरल लेआउट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल बिल्डिंग. ठीक है, जो स्ट्रक्चरल लेआउट होगा वो हम ड्रॉ करेंगे इंडस्ट्रियल बिल्डिंग का. देन नेक्स्ट इज वेरियस टाइप ऑफ ट्रसेस एंड देयर सिलेक्शन. वेरियस टाइप ऑफ ट्रसेस एंड देयर कनेक्शन. ठीक है, तो कौन कौन से टाइप ऑफ ट्रसेस आएंगे. सो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ट्रसेस आर देयर. देन आफ्टर कौन से होंगे? सिंगल वॉरेन ट्रस, सिंगल एसएल फिंग ट्रस, सिंगल एसएल प्राट ट्रस, वॉरेन विथ मॉनिटर, sawtooth without interior column, fink with monitor, double SL, single SL, crane runway, main SL with side SL. So these are the different type of trusses. Then major component of an industrial building. कौन से component होंगे? Like a gantry girder, then gable rafter, gable column, rafter bracing, vertical bracing in a longitudinal side, gable wind girder at eaves level, eaves girder, main column, column bracket and purlins. So these are the major component of the industrial building. Then effect of wind load on purlin and trusses, bracing system, column, foundation and gantry girder. Then after we see different type of effect of wind load. ठीक है, सपोज इंडस्ट्रियल बिल्डिंग है, ठीक है, उसकी हाइट ज़्यादा रहेगी, हाइट की वजह से उस पर विंड लोड एक्ट होगा. सो जो विंड लोड की वजह से जो इफ़ेक्ट आएगा बिल्डिंग के अंदर वो हम पढ़ेंगे. सो इट इज़ द इफेक्ट ऑफ विंड लोड ऑन पर्लिन एंड ट्रसिस, ब्रेसिंग सिस्टम, column, foundation and gantry girder. So in a gantry girder, stating and moving load, selection, design of section. So most important chapter, design of industrial building. Now next is design of plate girder. Design of the plate girder. So most important chapter, design of plate girder. So in a plate girder we see introduction about the chapter, then after what is plate girder section, elements of plate girder, self weight of plate girder, optimum depth of the girder, minimum web thickness, shear buckling resistance of web, buckling of web plate like simple post critical method and tensile field method. There are two methods for buckling of web plate. Then design of end panel, anchor forces, design of bearing stiffeners, design of intermediate transverse web stiffeners, design of connection between flange and a web plate, design of connection between load bearing stiffness and web. Then last is step involved in the design of plate girder. So design of plate girder, there are different type of container included. Now before we going to see, first of all, what is plate girder? So a plate girder is an I-beam built up from plate using bolting, riveting और welding. ठीक है, प्लेट गर्डर क्या है? आई बीम. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द आई बीम. प्लेट गर्डर क्या है? एक आई बीम है. वो किससे जुड़ा होगा? फ्रॉम प्लेट यूजिंग bolting, riveting और welding. So a plate girder is a deep flexural member used to carry heavy load over a long span. So first is mode of failure. heavy load एक्ट बेयर करेगा प्लेट गर्डर. सो इट इज इन इलास्टिक बकलिंग, बेंडिंग इन द प्लेन ऑफ वेब, लोकल बकलिंग इन द प्लेन ऑफ वेब, वर्टिकल buckling of the compression flange, shear buckling, design of bolted welded plate girder by tension field method, simple post critical method including design of vertical and horizontal stiffeners, splices and Ertelmann. So this is the content included in design of plate girder. Now fifth is design of foot over bridge. Design of foot over bridge. So most important chapter, foot over bridge. So some content are included in topic is structural system of through and deck, type of bridges, design of foot over bridge and its supporting system. So first of all, foot over bridge किसे कहेंगे? So the truss girder are used as the main load carrying member. truss girder क्या है, किसके लिए यूजफुल है? इट इज मेन लोड कैरिंग मेंबर इन द truss girder bridge. The truss girder bridge are known as open web girder bridge and lattice girder bridge. truss girder bridge क्या है? It is also known as open web girder bridge or lattice girder bridge. When span is so large that it can be economically bridged by plate girder, truss girder are used. द गर्डर आर यूज फॉर अ स्पान ग्रेटर देन 30 मीटर. गर्डर कब यूज होगा? जब स्पान ग्रेटर देन 30 मीटर, 30 मीटर से ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, एट दैट टाइम हम गर्डर यूज़ करेंगे. सो ट्रस गर्डर ब्रिज मे बी ऑफ 3 टाइप्स. सो देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ गर्डर ब्रिज: through type bridges, deck type bridges and half through bridges. So this is in foot over bridge. Component of truss girder bridge. So there are different type of component like a main vertical truss, floor system, bottom lateral bracing, top lateral bracing, portal bracing and sway bracing. So this is the component of the truss girder bridge. Then type of truss girder. So various type of truss girder can be grouped under the following heads: parallel chord truss girder, incline or curve or camelback truss girder, subdivided truss girder. So various type of trusses are Pratt trusses, Warren trusses, Howe trusses, whip trusses, K truss, Z truss, parabolic truss or Virendial truss. So this is the different type of truss girder. So this is the different type of foot over bridges. So foot over bridges are used for a pedestrian traffic only. ठीक है कि फुट ओवर ब्रिज किसके लिए यूजफुल है? पेडेस्ट्रियल जो वॉकवे होता है, इस इज वन ऑफ द फुट ओवर ब्रिज. सो एट रेलवे स्टेशन टू चेंज प्लेटफॉर्म कहाँ पे एप्लीकेबल होगा? सो इट इज़ एट रेलवे स्टेशन टू चेंज प्लेटफॉर्म. स्काई वॉक इनटू मेट्रो सिटी, मेट्रो सिटी के अंदर स्काई वॉक के लिए. ओवर बिजी स्ट्रीट टू क्रॉस रोड, ठीक है, क्राउड होगा, पब्लिक क्राउड होगा एट दैट टाइम ओवर ब्रिज स्ट्रीट के अंदर टू क्रॉस दी रोड. कनेक्शन टू बिल्डिंग टावर एट हायर लेवल पे बिल्डिंग होगा, टॉल स्ट्रक्चर होगा एट दैट टाइम, उसको कनेक्ट करने के लिए यूजफुल रहेगा फुट ओवर ब्रिज. टू क्रॉस स्ट्रीम ऑफ moderate width. So steel foot over bridge can be of either plate girder or a truss type. So this is our foot over bridge. So देखेंगे design of foot over bridge. So in a foot over bridge, structural system of throw deck and type of bridges, design of foot over bridge and its supporting system. Now last is plastic design. So in a plastic design, first of all we see introduction to plastic method of analysis, design of continuous beam and portal frame using plastic design approach. So plastic design में क्या आएगा? First of all concept of plastic analysis and design, plastic bending of beam, plastic hinge. So in a plastic hinge, condition and basic theorem, plastic analysis, method of analysis, mechanism. Then determination of collapse load for some standard cases of beam like continuous beam, portal frame. So concept of plastic analysis and design. So in a plastic method of design, the stresses and deformation are computed at working load using the elastic properties of steel. There are two methods: working stress design method and plastic method of design. So this is the some syllabus included in our subject design of steel structure. So first is a load and load combination, second is connection, third is design of industrial building, fourth is design of plate girder, fifth is design of foot over bridges, and last is plastic design. So very most important subject, design of steel structure. So our subject code is 2180610. Okay, so again there are 7 topic. First is load and load combination, connection, design of industrial building, design of plate girder, design of foot over bridge, and last is plastic design.